I started with nothing. No money, no experience, no connections. And honestly, I didn't even believe this would work. I thought making money online was something only other people could do. People with skills, people with experience, people who were smarter than me. But I was wrong. Because just a few days later, I made my first $100 online. And in this video, I'm not just going to tell you what I did. I'm going to break it down step by step, slowly, clearly, so you can follow the exact same path. Most people think making $100 is nothing, but they're completely wrong. Because your first $100 is the hardest money you will ever make. Not because it's technically difficult, but because mentally, you don't believe it's possible yet. You doubt yourself, you overthink everything. You wait for the perfect time. And that's exactly what keeps most people stuck forever. But the moment you make your first $100, everything changes. You stop doubting. You start believing. You realize this is real. And that belief is worth way more than the money itself. Let me be honest with you. When I started, I was lost. I didn't have a plan. I didn't have a skill. I didn't even know where to begin. Every video I watched was confusing. Some people said, learn skills first. Others said, start a business. Others said, do freelancing. And I was just sitting there thinking, what am I supposed to do? So I did what most people do. Nothing. I waited. I overthought. I delayed. Until I realized something. Waiting is the biggest mistake. Instead of asking, what should I learn? I asked a different question. What do people already pay for? That question is powerful because money doesn't come from you. It comes from solving problems. People don't care about your skills. They care about results. And once I understood that, everything became simpler. So I started looking around. I went to different platforms. I checked what people were buying. And I noticed something interesting. People were paying for simple things. Very simple things. Things like basic video edits, simple thumbnails, short content clips, AI-generated content. Nothing complicated, nothing advanced. Just simple, repeatable services. And that's when I realized I don't need to be an expert. I just need to start. I decided to keep it simple. No complicated plans, no overthinking. Just 3 steps. Pick something easy, use free tools, offer it to people. That's it. And I focused on speed, not perfection, because perfection kills progress. My first attempt failed completely. I tried to offer my service. No one replied. I tried again. Still nothing. No messages, no clients, no money. And that's the moment where most people quit, because it feels like it's not working. But here's the truth. You're just too early. I stopped focusing on myself and started focusing on the client. Instead of saying, I can do this, I started saying, this is how I can help you. And that changed everything. I started messaging people. Not once, not twice, many times. Different people, different platforms. And I kept it simple. Short messages, clear value. No spam, no pressure. Just, hey, I can help you improve this. Want a quick example? Then, one day, someone replied. Just one person. And that was enough. Because you don't need 100 clients. You need one. I did the work. I focused. I delivered fast. I didn't try to be perfect. I just made sure it was good enough. And then I got paid $100. And that moment was different. It felt real. Here's the exact system again. Choose simple, start fast, contact people, improve gradually. Repeat, repeat. They wait too long. They think too much. They act too little. And that's the difference. If you're watching this, you already have everything you need. You don't need money. You don't need experience. You need to start.